Welcome back. Here are 10 facts about the Great Depression. The Great Depression was a global economic downturn that lasted from 1929 to 1939. It was characterized by widespread unemployment, poverty, and a decline in industrial production. It was the longest and most severe economic depression of the 20th century. Many countries experienced a severe economic downturn, but the United States, which was the epicenter of the crisis, was hit the hardest. The Great Depression began in the United States, but quickly spread to countries around the world. The global nature of the depression was due to the interconnectedness of the world economy and the fact that many countries had invested heavily in the U.S. stock market. The stock market crash of 1929, also known as Black Tuesday, was a major trigger of the Great Depression. On October 29, 1929, the stock market experienced a massive crash, leading to a panic among investors and a sharp decline in the value of stocks. Unemployment rates reached as high as 25% in the United States during the Great Depression. This was a staggering number, and many people were left without jobs or means to support themselves and their families. Many banks and businesses failed, and people lost their savings and homes. The economic downturn led to a wave of bank failures, and many people lost their savings as a result. Businesses also went bankrupt, leading to more unemployment and less economic activity. The Great Depression led to a decrease in consumer spending, which further hurt the economy. As people lost their jobs and their savings, they had less money to spend, leading to a decrease in demand for goods and services. This in turn led to more business failures and unemployment. President Franklin D. Roosevelt's New Deal programs helped to alleviate some of the effects of the Great Depression. The New Deal was a series of programs and policies designed to stimulate economic recovery and provide assistance to those in need. These programs included the creation of jobs through public works projects and the establishment of social welfare programs. World War II ultimately helped to bring an end to the Great Depression by creating jobs and boosting industrial production. The war effort led to a massive increase in government spending and a corresponding increase in economic activity. The Great Depression had a lasting impact on the global economy and the way governments respond to economic crises. It led to the creation of new economic policies and institutions, such as the Federal Reserve and the Securities and Exchange Commission, and it also led to a greater role for government in the economy. Overall, the Great Depression was a devastating period in world history, marked by widespread poverty and unemployment. But it also led to important changes in economic policy and institutions, which have helped to mitigate the effects of future economic downturns. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more interesting facts about the Great Depression.